An Amazon business is way simpler than what a lot of you guys think. In today's video, I'm going to simply show you how an Amazon business works, and understanding this is how you're going to actually be able to scale your business. Now, if you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I release videos right here daily to help you scale your Amazon FBA business, whether you're a beginner or you are a more advanced seller, while more importantly traveling the world. Right, I'm right now in Tokyo, right, while I'm shooting this video, because I'm able to run my business while actually traveling the world. I'm not stuck in Idaho like some of your Amazon gurus that teach you that they can actually run a business, you can do this while traveling the world, while they never did. So quite simply, right, you need to understand that the way your Amazon business works, I know, right, Picasso level works right here, but the way your Amazon business works is quite simple. Okay, so you have money right here, right? Money that you turn into inventory, right? And then you turn your inventory back into money. That's simply what an Amazon business is. All right? That's the only thing that it does. That's the, like, if you simplify it to its core, that's what the business looks like. Okay? Now, this means that you are going to be limited by two things when you run your Amazon business. Okay, you are going to be limited by the amount of capital that you have available on one end, right? So you are going to be limited by money, right? That's going to be one of your first limitation, and the second limitation is going to be right there. It's lead flow. All right, let me write this down for you guys. Lead flow, meaning how fast, how many leads, how many new leads do you have that you can buy daily? Because you can't do this with just one lead. Okay, that's the two things that are going to be limiting you: money and lead flow. Now, the really important thing that I want to teach you today is that solving this right here, right? Solving this and making sure that you can do this cycle as fast as possible is going to be what is going to stop this limitation that you have with money. Okay? And I'm going to explain to you why right now, real quick. So, the reason why I said this is because the main thing that is holding you back in your Amazon business is that you cannot go through these cycles fast enough. The reason why you cannot go through these cycles fast enough is because you don't have enough leads. All right? That's the simple reason why. If you were able, like, if you had more leads, like, let's say that in a best case scenario, right? In the best case scenario that you could actually describe, right? You would buy one unit of 10,000 different leads that sells 10,000 times a month, right? So you know that whenever that product is available for sale, you can sell it immediately and get back your investment. And you do this amongst 10,000 products. You sell 10,000 units a month. Let's say that you sell them at $50 a piece, right? So you make $500,000 a month, not taking risk because you're just on one unit. You just have one unit of every single lead that you have, right? So doing this, you're going to flip your money instantly, right? Meaning that you're going to go through this cycle really, really fast. And the main limitation is that, yeah, you need to have a lot of leads to be able to do this, right? So your lead flow, you need to have a system that constantly brings new leads into your business, right? New leads that you can actually sell. And so the main issue then, like the second limitation, which is money, right? As long as you fix this, as long as you fix lead flow, and that you're able to actually go through this process really, really fast, finding money becomes really, really easy, right? Because as long as you can turn $1, right? If you have $1, you can turn it into $2 in 1 week, let's say, right? 1 week is complicated, but you can do it in 2 weeks. If you can do this in 2 weeks, if you can spend $1 today and in 2 weeks get $2 back in your bank account, then money is not a problem because you can make any loan available work, right? Even if the interests are crazy high, because you're able to flip your money fast. But the first thing that you need to actually fix is how fast, how many products you can find a day. Do you have a system in place that is going to bring you profitable products every single day that you can actually buy? Yes or no? If you don't, money is going to keep being a problem for you in your business. The main reason why money is a problem in your business is because you don't have enough leads that you can flip fast, that you can go through this system, right, of turning $1 into $2 really, really fast. That's the only issue that you face. If you think that it's money, it's not. If it was money, you would do everything. If you literally had a system where you could turn $1 into $2 as fast as every 2 weeks, money would not be an issue, right? Because if it really was, like literally, if you had the system in place, you would be ready to actually sleep outside to save on rent, to turn those, I don't know how much you spend on rent, let's say that you spend $2,000, to turn those $2,000 into $4,000, and actually those $4,000 into $8,000, right? So you can turn $2,000 into $8,000 in 1 month. If you can turn $1 into $2 every 2 weeks, right? Your main issue is that you're gonna do that because you don't have enough leads. Since you don't have enough leads, you don't have a money problem, right? This is not your problem. Your problem is this. You have a problem. You don't find enough leads that are profitable every single day, so you cannot buy profitable products every single day. You cannot flip your money fast every single day because you don't need money. At this point, you don't need money anymore. And there's not a single person on earth. If you actually show this system right here, that's working, when you can turn $1 into $2 consistently, right? And you constantly have leads that allow you to do this, right? There's not, like, you can bring the system anywhere, like to anybody. If you want to raise capital, it's going to be really, really easy for you to raise capital if you have proof that you can do that. Your main issue is that you don't have this proof because you don't have this. You don't have a system to bring consistent leads into your business. If this is something that you want to build in your business, right? There's a link in the description if you want my help to do it. Hopefully this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.